take you into a journey into administrative, constitutional, case, and statutory law. This is from my paralegal professions class, so I hope that you find it interesting and informative. So, follow me. So, as our journey unfolds, our first stop would be with statutory law. Statutory law is the framework of our society and how justice is maintained at equilibrium. And this is according to Mr. Stephen Burton, author of An Introduction to Law and Legal Reasoning. Defines statutory law as a written law by legislature at all three levels of government, including the state, federal, and local agencies. A great example of statutory law is self-incrimination, and this is the act of committing oneself of a crime for which a person can be prosecuted. And this can be done both directly and indirectly. Now, because that it was written in the Fifth Amendment, this protects against the abuse of government authority in a legal procedure. Just a quick fact about statutory law is that the administrative branch of government enforces this law. Oh, hello there. And now for our next stop. Hope I didn't give it away by being in my office, but we're going to take a look into administrative law. All right? Now, administrative law is the law that governs the creation and operation of administrative agencies. In general, what it does is it makes up the rulemaking process for mandates that were passed by legislatures. A great example of administrative law was one that I found in a 2002 case, the Federal Maritime Commission versus the state of South Carolina. In this case, administrative law was used to reverse a previous decision in front of the state court. Sir, you mind if I take a look in your bag? Okay, well, anyway, I know I thought I may have given the other one away, but I hope I didn't give this one away. So, here we go. I bet you cannot tell me what type of law derives from constitutional law. I'll give you a moment to get your thoughts together. All right. If you said the interpretation, enforcement, and implementation of the United States Constitution, then guess what? You were right. Constitutional law deals with the relationship among the state, federal, three branches of government, and the rights of the individuals in relation to both federal and state governments. A great example of constitutional law is what I was doing earlier, which is found in the Fourth Amendment, the right to unreasonable searches and seizures. So, I guess in this case, the guy could have said no, but I guess he said yes. Sir, I'm going to need to get your car keys before you leave this party. Did you hear me? Sir, I need your car keys before you leave this party. Anyway, this has a lot to do with my last example of the law, and this is case law. Case law, also known as judicial law, is developed through opinions and previous decisions rather than through the legislative and executive branches. This type of law deals with the principle known as stare decisis. And basically what stare decisis is that in previous cases, when a decision was made, the law is usually bound to follow those same decisions that were made in the previous or similar case. A great example of this would be driving under the influence, a DUI, what I just tried to stop this guy from doing. So, I think that's it. That's the last example we have, case law. I hope you found my presentation interesting and informative, all about administrative, constitutional, case, and statutory law. So, until next time, I guess I'll teach you later.